So, hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Up Studio. Today we have some special guests from our team. So, just let me introduce our team members. First, you can see Dipali ma'am is here, you can see Sarika ma'am is here, and also you can see Kashish ma'am.
So Kashish ma'am, I just want to ask you that what is the fastest way to improve spoken English?
The fastest way to improve spoken English is to speak every day, even if it is for 15 to 20 minutes daily.
So, it means that you just want to say that we should or a student should practice for 10 to 15 minutes per day.
Yeah.
So, what kind of practice are you suggesting to our students?
Sir, I will tell you some daily basic plans like first you have to listen 10 minutes daily. In this listen, you have to listen short videos, short conversational videos, some short podcasts also, stories, etc. And you have to focus on pronunciations, not grammatical portion. Another one you have to second step is repeat 10 minutes. In this repeat, you have to pause each sentence after completion. In this, you have to focus on imitate the speaker's pronunciation. And third step, you have to follow speak 15 minutes. You have to speak about your topic, describing any picture or a whole day. You have to take this type of task. You have to daily speak 15 to 20 minutes. Then you have to follow 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes repeat, then 15 minutes you have to speak daily. So you have one day you can achieve your goal and max perfection.
Ma'am, what do you think that suppose that you're just guiding some points or the activities that a student should do. So if a student follow these rules or your guidance, so how many months he will take to improve his English?
Depends on our practice.
Okay.
If you have daily practice to 15 to 20 minutes, then you have to achieve your goal in 5 to 6 months.
Okay.
Always.
It means at least 5 to 6 months we need to spend at least 30 to 40 minutes on our English so that we can speak good English.
Yeah, of course.
That's very nice. So, ma'am, what kind of habits that we should adapt or students should adapt for learning good English?
Hello guys, hello everyone. Today I want to share some simple habits that can help anyone to improve their English communication skills. So in today's world, nowadays people thought that English learning is very difficult, but the secret is daily practice. Practices makes men perfect, so you have to practice regularly. The first habit you have to follow that reading. Read a book, read novels, short articles for 10 to 15 minutes every day. That can help your pronunciation skills. And the second habit is listening. Listen everyday podcast, English podcast, songs, or watch some videos that helps to improve your pronunciation and listening skills. And the third and most important is speaking. Practice in the front of mirror and record your voice, speak with your friends. So this will help you to build your confidence in front of public. And the more you practice, the more you become confident. So finally, I just want to say that don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes helps us to learn and improve. And with conclude, I just want to say that just remember this simple rule: read every day, speak every day, listen every day, and and never stop practicing. So these small habits can lead big success. Thank you.
What kind of audio that we should listen every day?
We should follow the English subtitle videos that can help to understand which type of sentences we like getting. And the second thing, reading books. So books helps to how to sentence phrases and frames. So you have to learn that how to make sentences.
My next question to Sarika ma'am. Sarika ma'am, what do you think that a student is preparing his English or just practicing English for for last few months, but there is a common problem a student is facing, that he has fear of English, speaking English in front of other people. So how can somebody remove the fear of speaking English? What's your suggestion?
Hello everyone. I will give some tips or ideas for overcome the fear in English, learning English. Okay. The first step is accept mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Even fluent speaker made mistakes while learning. Second is practice every day. Speak English 10 to 15 minutes every day, even if you are alone. The third is speak with friends. Practice with friends, classmates, or practice with classmates, friends. Learn 10 to 15 new words every day and use them in sentences.
My final question to all of you: if a student asks you all from your side a very quick tip for improving English, one tips, quick tips.
Listening.
Okay. So why it is important?
So it is important because we have to know about words, proper pronunciation, and how to make sentences frame.
I think so. Accept mistakes. Accept mistakes.
I just want to say one point, that you have to create your own environment. Don't wait for others. Don't wait that you have to find a partner, then we will start. No, you have to start today. Whatever you want to, it's okay if you making mistakes. That is common. Like, it's not a big deal. Thank you.